want to ask you guys a question. Guys, do you all know about cell locking? Cell locking. Have you heard of cell locking before? Dennis say no. How about the rest? Can you go to A1 right now? And I want you to do this. Type in item 1. Okay, once done kan, I want you to do this. I want you to go to cell A1, A11. Put an equal sign. Tujukan kepada cell A1 macam ni. Enter. Okay, mesti ada item 1 dekat sini. Jangan key in. I want you to tarik ke bawah sekarang. 5 spaces to the side. 5 cukup lah. Okay, macam ni. Okay, now next one. I want you to go down to A21 now. Put an equal sign all the way up to A1. Enter right now. Okay, we are going to lock the column. What column are we going to lock? Macam ni, guys. See this? Okay, column is A, betul tak? I want you to tekan, klik the sebelum column A, bubur $sign. Okay, bubur $sign, enter. And then tarik ke bawah macam biasa. Alright, so I'm going to delete. So that I put a $sign before A. When I put a $sign, it means that I lock A all the time. See this? Tanpa lock tadi, dia akan gerak kan. Kalau saya lock kan cell A, dia akan tetap berada di cell A. Okay, so that's why you get item 1. Boleh? Next one. I am at cell A31 now. Equal sign. Tujukan ke cell A1 sekarang. Enter. Okay, sekarang kita nak lock ke apa? Kita nak lock 1. A jangan lock. So klik 1, bubur, equal sign, enter. Takat ni okay. Now tarik ke bawah all the way. Tengok macam ni. Dah lock. Tarik ke tepi. So the impact, guys, when we lock this, see this? When we lock the row, everything tetap sama. This see, tak lock kan? Row tak lock. See, row tak lock. It will go down. When you copy paste, kalau tak lock cell kan, dia akan gerak ke bawah. Kalau kita lock dia akan tetapkan benda itu tau. In this instance kan guys, I lock the row. So that locking cell is penting tau guys, because it depends. Because when we copy depends on where we copy kan, ke bawah, ke atas, kiri, kanan kan. It's very important to lock correctly, so that cell tak lari tau. Row A41 now. Put an equal sign, go all the way up here. Tujukan ke ini. Okay, dapat. Enter. Sekarang kita nak lock kedua-duanya. I want you to use the shortcut key guys. Click on this, press F2. I want you to cari F4, function key 4, so that it's a shortcut key for locking. You see this? You can keep on pressing until you get the thing that you want. This is the one that we want. Lock column and lock cell. If you found it, press enter. Okay, enter, and there it is. So right now, copy downwards and copy to the side, so that function key 4 is the shortcut key to lock cells. How's it? Any questions? Anyone? All good, man. So that is cell locking.